G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's November 30, 2023, end of the month, and today we've got a special edition on natural gas, as well as the normal natural gas charts we show. I'm going to also cover BOIL, B-O-I-L, which is ProShares Ultra DBS Natural Gas ETF, UNG, United States Natural Gas Fund, and KOLD, K-O-L-D, ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas. So first off, on our regular natural gas charting, we'll look at the weekly, daily and hourly. You can see here we're still going sideways on our weekly, on our CCI 150. The CCI 400 is still pretty much trending flat, although its CCI itself is actually broken to the downside slightly with those last few weeks of bearish candles. On the daily, you can see there we did break down from that, or bounce down from that resistance at 36.63. And we're currently in this Fibonacci range and approaching halfway between the 50 and the 61%. And the 61% is a key area to look out for. For breaks below that, we're going to get a much more bearish outlook, or it may actually bounce from there, as I said in the last update. On the CCI 150, you can see there it's still trending down, no sign of a bounce. And on the CCI 400, it's broken down through its moving average and also in a bearish momentum. On the hourly chart, you can see there we've stabilized somewhat, and it's showing almost like a triple or a double bottom, versus the CCI 150 is showing a bullish divergence. And the CCI 400 is broken to the downside, and the moving averages are also declining, although the CCI itself has broken through those moving averages with a very, very slight bullish movement, but nothing too exciting to get to go long on at this stage. Now, in terms of this bullish divergence, we're going to draw a Fibonacci between the low and that high. I'm not suggesting you trade this, but typically we enter it and exit between a 23 and a 38% level, and you can see it's already penetrated that area. One thing to look out for here in this particular scenario is this 61%. If the price breaks much higher than that level, let me just draw a little, say much higher than that area, that's going to be a key area to look out for in terms of going potentially long or to take more bullish momentum and direction. At the moment, most signs are showing a bearish outlook on the weekly, daily and hourly. So just don't hold your horses, don't go long at this stage, I'd suggest. Let's see it break above, and we want to see the daily especially break to the upside with more bullish movement. Now, the next chart I want to show you, and this is as a result of a request from one of the viewers. This is ProShares Ultra DJUBS, or BOIL is the code. So, slightly different pattern on the chart to the normal natural gas price. But you can see there it's bounced off that and broken down from that key resistance at 72.56. Now, there is no other support level to talk of. That's why I've got this question mark. We do have still a declining price on the hourly chart versus a slightly bullish divergence on the CCI 150. Notice the CCI 400 is still trending down, so not suggesting you go long in this one as well, similar to the normal natural gas chart. Just be careful about, let's see where it starts potentially to bounce, and we want to see this continue to the upside on the CCI. We want to see also the price starting to advance, and if it does that, then you want to potentially look at around the 61%, similar to the natural gas chart. However, on the daily, you'll notice the CCI 150 is broken pretty harshly to the downside on the 150, which is our divergence indicator. No divergence again to talk of, although there is a bit of a divergence on the 400, although we don't consider that as a trade or anything like that, and that's a bit of an outlier in terms of direction. So the price chart is actually moving sideways mostly, and it's actually taking out new lows at the moment, hence the other 1 hour chart shown there. The next chart I'm going to show you is the United States Natural Gas Fund, UNG is the code. That's a similar sort of chart pattern to the BOIL. The CCI 400 on the hourly is dropping, and the CCI 150 is showing a bullish divergence as well. Again, hasn't bottomed out. We'll wait to see a potential bounce from that point. And lastly is the ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas, or KOLD, K-O-L-D is the code. And that's where we've got this bounce off this key support at 43.95. You can see there the 400, the CCI 400 is trending upwards. Nice big spike. The CCI 150, this is the daily chart. CCI 150 showed a bullish divergence and it did a double bottom there. Actually, it probably did a triple bottom there. After those two bottoms there off that support, it did a nice bounce. You can see there it's coming close to the 100% level of that wider range. That's on the daily chart, and on the hourly you can see there we may see a bit of a weakness coming up in the next few hours. The price is still accelerating, although the CCI 150 is showing a bearish divergence, so just be mindful of that. If you're holding this, might be worth taking profits and getting out of it. This could turn down any time. Remember, this doesn't necessarily mean a full-scale reversal. It could just mean a little bit of a retrace before taking further up movement. To get more convinced of a break to the downside, we want to see the CCI break below its moving averages, and the moving averages on the 1 hour chart also break to the downside. At the moment, they're still pretty strongly moving to the upside. So I hope that's helped. If you got value out of the video with those extra charts as well, give me a comment and you provide feedback. Hit the like and subscribe button, notification bell, and we'll speak to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.